Hi friends, welcome to Moms and Kids. You can see how heavily it's raining. It was a pleasant weather today. So friends, you saw how it was raining outside. So that rain made me do this recipe. Yes, you're right. It's gopi Manchurian. So today I'm going to be sharing a Chinese cuisine. It is gopi Manchurian. So now let's see what ingredients are required for this recipe. So as you all know, gopi Manchurian. So have taken here a medium sized cauliflower. So I've just parboiled these cauliflower florets, that is in boiling water. I've added a pinch of turmeric powder to the boiling water, and I've kept this cauliflower in the boiling water for 2 minutes, and then I've taken it out. Yes, then we require 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce and 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Then we require 4 tablespoons of corn flour, then 3 tablespoons of rice flour, chili flakes, 1 tablespoon, salt according to your taste, finely chopped garlic and ginger, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped spring onions, 2 green chilies, I've just slit them like this, then oil for deep frying. So now first let's see, we are going to prepare the sauce and the cauliflower. So first we are going to add all the ingredients, that is we are going to add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. So we are going to add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. So I will add all the ingredients and then I will show you. 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Then we are going to add, now here I have added 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 3 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and I have added half a tablespoon of chili flakes. So chili flakes you can add according to your taste, salt according to your taste, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now we are going to mix nicely and we are going to marinate these cauliflower florets. So now I will mix and then I will show you. You can add a little bit of water in case you need. Yes, enough. So here I have mixed all the ingredients, that is I have marinated. So here I have mixed all the ingredients nicely by adding a little, maybe a tablespoon of water, and I have marinated the cauliflower florets, and we are now going to leave this for somewhere around 10 minutes so that it will absorb all the ingredients nicely. So by then we will prepare the sauce for this, the Manchurian sauce for this recipe. Okay, so for that we are going to first mix. So now I am having 2 tablespoons of corn flour. So mix, add a quarter glass of water and mix this into a paste, smooth paste. So I have added quarter glass of water and I am going to just mix them like this. Yes, this is going to thicken our sauce. This is a thickening agent which I am going to use for my sauce. But before adding also make sure you mix it once. Okay. So now for the sauce I have taken a pan here and I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil. 1, 2. Yes. So I have added 2 tablespoons of oil. In this oil goes our finely chopped spring onions. Okay. Fry that for a minute. Yes. So here I am frying it. Then finely chop the garlic and ginger. So this garlic and ginger flavor is very important for our Chinese cuisine. So make sure you are adding nice garlic and ginger. So fry this, saute for a minute. Yes. Nice aroma. Okay, so make sure you hide the flame and saute for a minute or 2. So I have hide the flame. So I have and I am sauteing this for 2 minutes on high flame. Okay. So once this is done, you're going to add your green chili. So I am making it little spicy according to the weather. So green chilies also you can add according to your taste. So I've added green chilies. Yeah, that also I'm sauteing in high flame. So the garlic has to become a little golden in color or brown in color. Yes, so I'm sauteing it. Yes, see, you can make out the garlic is turning into brown color. You can make out, right? Yeah, see. So once it is turning brown in color, you're going to add the remaining soya sauce and the tomato ketchup. Yes. So soya sauce I'm adding. Now I've added the corn flour and I'm mixing it nicely. Now I'm going to add this water. So little according to your how much sauce you need, you can add the water and mix it nicely like this. So I don't want my Manchurian to be watery, so I'm going to prepare this as a dry Manchurian. So according to that, I'm just doing my sauce. So I'm just make sure that there are no lumps. So I'm just doing it so that if any lumps are there also, it will. So I'm just removing the lumps which is formed. So the sauce is, you can make out the sauce is getting thick, right? Yes, and leaving the sides of the pan as well. See the color as well. Yes. So now we are going to add salt for this. Salt, just remember, salt we have already added in our cauliflower as well. So according to that, I am just adding half a tablespoon of salt and I'm just mixing it nicely. Yes, our sauce is ready. See, you can make out it is like nicely thickened. See? Yes, now, so this is the right consistency. You can remove it. Okay? So I am switching off the flame. My sauce is ready. Now we are going to deep fry the cauliflower, marinated cauliflower florets. We are going to deep fry this cauliflower florets and then we are going to mix it in that sauce. That's all. So it's been 10 minutes. Yes. See, the cauliflowers are fried nicely. So now we are going to, this color is because of the dark soya sauce. If you have normal soya sauce, you can even use that. So I'm just taking this out and keeping it in the pan. Okay. So yes, now we can take this out. See? And then take it out, keep it out for a minute and then add it in the sauce. Not immediately after taking it out, don't add it in the sauce. Keep it out for a minute or two and then you can add them in the sauce. Now I'll take out and then I will add it in the sauce. So here our gopi manchuri is ready and I've plated it as well and it is ready to eat now. So do try this recipe at your home and let me know how it was in the comment section. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.